Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.